In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make $100 per day by just watching videos. Stay tuned. Okay guys, real quick, before we jump into the video, I'd like to invite you guys over to my channel because I make daily videos on how to make money online. And all you have to do is hit that subscribe button below right now to become a part of the family and get this value I'm giving every single day. But if you are already subscribed here, thank you, thank you, thank you. Now let's jump into the video right now. Okay guys, in today's video, we're going to be going over 3 websites how you can actually start earning money every single day by just taking these tests or watching these videos. So as you can see, number 1, we got user testing. As you can see on the screen right now, it say earn up to $60 per test. It's just pretty much 3 steps. Visit the website or app that they give you, complete the task, speaking your thoughts out loud. So pretty much you'll be going through the websites or watching the videos, giving your thoughts on the videos. And then number 3, you get paid. So this is very, very simple. We can go over how it works. As you can see, get $10 via PayPal for every 20-minute video you complete. So all you'll be doing is pretty much what this girl is doing right here on the screen. You'll be on your computer. You'll be probably going over the website, saying, okay, this works good, this doesn't work good. And then you'll pretty much give your thoughts on, what you think about the website, or if something messed up about it, you just give them that feedback. And then I guess after 20 minutes of the whole video, you'll make $10 from that. And they said earn up to $60 per test. So some tests may be $10 per test, $20, $30, $50, however long I guess it'll be. But this is just one website on how you can do this. And then you see they pretty much work with these bigger sites like Wall Street Journal, Huffington Post, New York Times, Life Hackers, Microsoft. This website right here work with these other companies. So it might be eBay sending the test in to actually get somebody thoughts on what they think about how this function work on the website or something like that, and then that actually pay you for that. And so we can go over what do you need to get started: a PC or Mac, internet connection, a microphone, different things like that. Pretty much a smartphone for the apps and stuff like that. The regular thing that you'll need pretty much to even be on the website. So what else do you need? Ability to download testing software. You must be 18 years old. Ability to speak your thoughts out loud in English. So pretty much you got to be able to speak English. You got to be over the age of 18 and pretty much have a computer. It said, how much money can I make? I guess these are the frequently asked questions. So while user testing is a great way to earn a few extra dollars on the side, it won't make you rich. That's true. This is a great website to actually start getting the income in to probably invest in something else, like more of affiliate marketing, drop shipping, different things like that. But it won't make you rich. The number of opportunities you receive will depend on the number of factors such as demographic and quality rating. So you want to give a good feedback when you're talking to these guys or recording a video on here, just testing the website, just so you can get more and more tests. And it said, how do I get paid? We pay testers via PayPal. So you guys will get paid through PayPal. So you receive your payment exactly 7 days after completing them. So it'll take a week after you complete the test. What I'll take tests all through the day, every single day, and then the next week you'll start receiving those payments. So you can be earning up to $50 every single day, $100 every single day, or pretty much you can just say you earn $30 from this site. Then on the other 2 sites you earn $30 to $40 on those sites too, and then that's you can equal up to $100 every single day. Now it'll take you 7 days to get paid, so the next week you'll actually start getting paid from this website, and that's site number 1. So now we're gonna go to site number 2, user field. And as you can see right here, quick and easy user field. Quick and easy user testing. So it's pretty much the exact same thing, trusted by these sites. So big companies on here are pretty much paying you for TripAdvisor. TripAdvisor pretty much paying you to test their website and different things like that. Tell them what you feel about the website. And pretty much that's it. So all you guys got to do is just get on here and watch these videos, and it pretty much go over like this right here. You go over this website, tell them what you think about it, tell them what you think about the product page, different things like that. And so this is site number 2, and this pretty much doing the exact same thing. We can go right here, become a tester. Okay, look, become a tester and earn $10 per test. So this one is exactly like this one. They're saying $10 per test. If you do a couple tests on this one, and then you come do a couple tests on this one, you're gonna pretty much double your profit every single day. And so each test lasts 10 to 20 minutes. So you pretty much gonna be looking at around, if you do all 3 of these, you pretty much looking at around $30 an hour with working these websites and just taking these tests. And so let's see. This pretty much is the same exact thing. So you gotta have a computer and you got to be able to download things on your computer to actually do this really. So that's the second website. It's pretty much the exact same thing, $10 per test that you take. And then the third website is Userlytics. So Userlytics is pretty much the exact same thing. Get paid to test websites and apps. So 3 steps for this one too. Register and earn money, interact with the web or the mobile app, and then get paid via PayPal. And it says once your test results have been approved, depending on test project, you'll be paid $5, $10, $15, or $20. So you get a chance to even make double on this website than the other ones. But you can, as you can see, it's all the same thing. All you're doing is pretty much going on the website, saying, okay, this works good, this doesn't work good, and that's it. And you're just giving your opinion. So I know on one of these, like with the TripAdvisor, it had actually asked like how you feel about this website, how this trip make you feel, about or how this page make you feel about it. And then you can put George Full, or you can put kind of iffy about it. It kind of look like a scam or something like that. You can put your different opinions on there, and then they actually pay you for that. So yeah, guys, that's the 3 websites that I recommend if you want to start making money by just watching videos. So yeah, that's it. If you want more information on how I actually make money online, hit that first link in the description. Subscribe if you already haven't, and I'll see you guys on the next video.